We'll guide you through how to use Dockers in Krita, a powerful tool for artists and creators. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your desktop and make sure you're in the workspace where you'll be doing your artwork. Dockers in Krita are panels that provide you with various tools and options, and they can be customized according to your workflow. To access them, go to the Settings menu at the top of your screen, then select Dockers from the drop-down menu. This will open a list of available Dockers, such as layers, brush presets, and color selector. You can enable or disable any Docker by clicking on it. Once enabled, the Docker will appear on your workspace. You can further customize your workspace by dragging the Dockers to different positions. To dock a panel, simply click and drag it to the edge of the Krita window until you see a blue outline, then release it to snap it into place. If you prefer, you can also have Dockers float freely by dragging them into the middle of your screen. This flexibility allows you to create a workspace that suits your needs. If you've customized your workspace and want to save it, go to Workspace in the Settings menu and choose Save Workspace As. This way, you can easily switch between different setups or restore your preferred layout. Remember, Dockers are there to make your workflow smoother, so take some time to explore and see which ones are most useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.